do a review. The suspense is killing me.
Okay, you get to get the smaller box. All right. Offer open.
All right, the moment of truth. Woohoo! Now you gotta look at the goodies first.
Right, all the special fun stuff.
So the Cannonball musical instruments what bag? What is this bag? Pouchy pouch.
Yeah, I think it's just so you can put like multiple mouthpieces and stuff.
Yeah, and if you were an older guy, like when we were younger, this would be a wallet.
Right.
Go get my billfold, Martha. Get my billfold. Got some cork grease. Got a strap.
Some cork grease.
Cannonball, you got a nice strap, but it ain't like the P. Mariette strap. I'm trying to tell you. Y'all gonna have to step up your game on the P. Mariette. Cleaning cloth looks like. All right. Oh, it actually comes with a mouthpiece.
It does, yeah.
We'll
It's a nice mouthpiece too.
We'll definitely have to check that out. Feel like got a nice opening on it too.
Yeah.
This is not classical.
That should be like all your paperwork related stuff.
Okay.
Serial information, all that.
So you know it's serious when you got paperwork on it like a car. Must be the regular neck.
Yeah.
Ooh-wee.
Should have, I believe, too.
Yep. Got the regular neck, fat neck.
Yep. The big boy.
Ooh. I don't know what I was expecting to see how that worked, but I didn't expect it to be so soft. All right, finally, the body.
The grand finale.
Oh. Look at those semi-precious stones already.
Oh wow.
That makes
Those
it
are
pop.
gorgeous. Yeah.
This was worth the wait for those.
Yeah. Yeah.
Man,
Wow.
look at that.
Shit, I wish I played saxophone.
Woo-wee. And look at the tiger on it. 25th anniversary. Got a little weight to it too. Fat neck first. This is different. Yeah, let's see what we sounded like. Got a real clean sound. Regular neck. See if I can hear it. Okay, time to put it away. So I got it home now. This is the 25th anniversary Cannonball Big Bell Series saxophone, alto saxophone. Ooh-wee. Look at that, look at that, look at that.